What is history really? Is it simply a collection of dates and names etched in stone? Or is it something far more fluid and complex? Is it a fixed story, a rigid narrative passed down through generations, or a shifting mosaic, constantly being reshaped by memory, new discoveries, and evolving perspectives? For centuries, we've relied on the dedication and insight of human minds to piece together the epic story of our species. A story filled with triumphs and tragedies, heroes and villains. We sift through ancient texts, meticulously examining every word, every symbol, searching for clues to unlock the secrets of bygone eras. We connect fragments of pottery, decipher faded inscriptions, and try to make sense of what's left behind, painstakingly reconstructing the past from scattered remnants. But what if we had access to a new kind of mind? A mind unlike any we've encountered before. A machine that never tires, never forgets, and can process information at speeds that defy human comprehension. A mind that sees patterns we can't, identifies connections we miss, and uncovers hidden narratives buried deep within the data. This is the extraordinary promise of artificial intelligence, a technology poised to revolutionize our understanding of history. AI in itself cannot change the past. The events have already unfolded, the story's already written. But it possesses the power to fundamentally transform our understanding of it, offering fresh perspectives and revealing previously unseen layers of meaning. Our view of history is, by its very nature, always incomplete, filtered through the biases and limitations of those who recorded it. It's a narrative often told by the victors, the powerful, and the survivors, leaving out countless other voices and experiences. What about the silent voices? The marginalized communities, the ordinary people whose lives shaped the course of history? What about the lost connections between events, the subtle influences that shape decisions, the untold stories hidden beneath the surface? What about the truths buried in unreadable texts, the secrets locked away in forgotten languages, the knowledge lost to time? AI can process information with unparalleled speed and efficiency, analyzing vast quantities of data on a scale far beyond human reach, sifting through centuries of accumulated knowledge. It can find the faint whispers of history we've always missed, the subtle clues that unlock deeper understanding. Imagine AI as a giant sieve, an incredibly powerful tool for separating the signal from the noise, sifting through billions of grains of historical data, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for a human to detect, revealing patterns and connections invisible to us, illuminating the hidden relationships that shape the course of human events. It lets us ask new questions, challenge existing assumptions, and explore alternative interpretations of the past. See our past from a non-human perspective, gaining a broader, more objective understanding of the forces that have shaped our world, and fill in the blank pages of history, giving voice to the voiceless and shedding light on the forgotten corners of our past. But with this immense power come new challenges and potential dangers that we must carefully consider. Our journey to understand the past, to learn from our mistakes and celebrate our triumphs is about to get a powerful, unpredictable, and potentially transformative new companion, artificial intelligence. How does AI actually work in history? Picture a historian spending years in archives poring over fragile documents. Now give that historian a superpowered assistant, AI. AI uses algorithms to read ancient languages, transcribe messy handwriting, and cross-reference millions of documents in moments. Its magic lies in natural language processing, or NLP, which lets computers understand human language. Feed it thousands of pages, letters, diaries, records, and it can identify themes, track word usage, and map social networks from centuries ago. AI excels at pattern recognition, finding subtle links across vast datasets, like shipping manifests or legal records, uncovering trends no human could spot. But AI doesn't replace historians. It frees them to ask big questions, interpret findings, and weave compelling narratives. The machine provides evidence and connections. The historian brings context and meaning. It's a partnership. Human curiosity meets machine intelligence. Together, they're transforming history from a solitary pursuit into a dynamic, technology-driven exploration. The result? A new way of seeing our past. Let's embark on a journey back in time, aided by the remarkable capabilities of modern technology. We're diving into the world of ancient Greek inscriptions, those invaluable direct links to the classical world, offering glimpses into the lives, laws, and beliefs of those who came before us. These inscriptions, however, are often damaged by the ravages of time, leaving them fragmented and incomplete, presenting a significant challenge to historians. For centuries, dedicated historians have painstakingly worked to fill in these gaps, piecing together the puzzles of the past. Their work relied heavily on deep expertise, linguistic intuition, and at times educated guesswork, a testament to their dedication. But now, enter Ithaca, a sophisticated deep neural network, a game-changer in the field of historical research. Ithaca was meticulously trained on tens of thousands of existing Greek inscriptions, a vast dataset of linguistic information. Through this extensive training, Ithaca learned the intricate patterns of the language, recognizing common phrases, grammatical structures, and contextual nuances, absorbing and processing far more information than any human scholar could possibly manage in a lifetime. When presented with damaged or incomplete texts, it intelligently suggests missing words and phrases with remarkable accuracy, drawing upon its vast knowledge base. Furthermore, it provides confidence levels for each of its suggestions, offering researchers valuable insights into the reliability of its interpretations. Beyond text completion, it can also estimate the geographical origin and the approximate time period when an inscription was carved, in some instances, narrowing down the date to within just a few decades, a level of precision previously unattainable. In a particularly compelling case, Ithaca re-examined a series of Athenian decrees and proposed a revised dating that was subsequently confirmed by historians, a testament to the AI's analytical capabilities, revealing subtle clues and patterns that human researchers had previously overlooked. This discovery led to a small but significant shift in our understanding of ancient Athens, demonstrating how a machine could contribute to rewriting aspects of our shared history. This isn't solely about accelerating the pace of research, it's about enabling us to perceive connections and insights that were previously beyond our reach, opening up new avenues of exploration. AI is evolving into a true collaborator, augmenting human intellect rather than simply serving as a tool. It's playing a crucial role in helping us recover lost voices from the past and refine the intricate details of our collective human story, offering a richer and more nuanced understanding. The past remains firmly rooted in the past, but our ability to perceive and interpret it has been significantly enhanced, providing a clearer and more comprehensive view. The future of historical discovery is undeniably here, ushering in a new era of collaboration between humans and machines. Who wrote Shakespeare's plays? For centuries, scholars debated, analyzing style and word choice, a subjective art. AI brings scientific rigor to this puzzle. Trained on confirmed works, AI builds a detailed profile of an author's style, sentence length, word frequency, and more. It compares disputed texts, revealing hidden fingerprints. In the case of Henry VIII, AI found different authorial signatures, confirming it was a collaboration between Shakespeare and John Fletcher. This analysis is changing our view of creativity and collaboration in the past. Authorship wasn't always solitary, it was often a team effort. AI has identified Marlowe's hand in Henry VI and correctly attributed the Federalist Papers. It's pulling back the curtain, showing not just what was written but who wrote it. Literary mysteries are becoming data-driven conclusions. The story of authorship is being rewritten by machines. Much of history is locked away in mountains of documents, a vast repository of human experience waiting to be unlocked. A collection so immense it's simply too vast for any human to read and truly comprehend in a single lifetime. The sheer scale presents a formidable challenge to historians and researchers alike. But now, innovative projects like the Venetian time machine are stepping up, digitizing 80 kilometers of archives, a monumental effort to preserve and make accessible this invaluable historical record. This ambitious undertaking is using cutting-edge AI to transcribe countless documents and connect people across time, revealing intricate relationships and hidden connections. It's mapping the journeys of ships and tracing the intricate web of trade routes that shaped civilizations. AI builds vast networks of information, meticulously linking contracts to the ships that carried them, connecting those ships to the maps they navigated by, and ultimately linking people to the significant events that defined their lives. In doing so, it's reconstructing an entire historical ecosystem, bringing the past to life in unprecedented detail. Imagine being able to ask it to trace the intricate pathways of the spice trade in 1450, revealing the economic and cultural forces at play. Or perhaps you'd prefer to map a merchant's complex social network, uncovering the relationships that fueled their success and influence. This technology transforms static archives, breathing new life into them, turning them into dynamic, searchable simulations of the past, ready to be explored and understood. Elsewhere, AI is playing a crucial role in piecing together the fragmented Dead Sea Scrolls, meticulously analyzing countless fragments and intelligently suggesting how they might fit together, a task that would take humans centuries. It's also reconstructing individual lives from fragmented census records, and painstakingly piecing together information from parish logs, assembling these scattered fragments into richer, more complete narratives of the people who came before us. The ultimate goal is to create a more complete and interconnected story of our past, revealing the intricate tapestry of human history. In essence, AI is our time machine for data, empowering us to explore lost worlds and gain a deeper understanding of our shared heritage. It's not just about amassing facts and figures, it's about meticulously rebuilding the intricate fabric of history, thread by thread. With the power of AI, the past transforms into a living, breathing, and constantly evolving landscape that we can explore and learn from. We're not just passively reading history in dusty books, we're actively recreating it, bringing it to life in ways never before imagined. The possibilities for historical discovery and understanding are truly endless, limited only by our imagination. With great power comes great risk. AI is not infallible, it can make mistakes. It might misread a medieval manuscript or hallucinate a word, creating false data that pollutes our understanding. The problem goes deeper. AI learns from the data we give it. If the data is biased or incomplete, so are the AI's conclusions. Train it only on records of kings and nobles, and it will ignore the lives of ordinary people. AI might reinforce old biases, making the powerful louder and the marginalized quieter. The machine has no wisdom, only the data we provide. That's why human historians are more important than ever. We must be skeptical editors, questioning the AI's output and understanding its limitations. What data was it trained on? What is it missing? The ghost in the machine is our own imperfect record-keeping. AI is a tool, not an oracle. We must use it wisely, always questioning, always verifying. Bias is one of the biggest challenges in understanding the past. History is often written from a single perspective, promoting some voices and ignoring others. We might hope AI could be objective, but it learns from our records, full of the prejudices of their time. If trained on biased texts, AI will reproduce those biases, amplifying old bigotries with new authority. It might conclude certain groups were less important, not out of malice, but because that's what the data shows. This is a profound ethical dilemma. Can AI overcome this? Only if we guide it. We must build fairer data sets, seek out marginalized voices, and design algorithms to flag bias. AI can help us see our own prejudices more clearly, holding up a mirror to the historical record. It forces us to confront the biases embedded in our sources. The solution isn't in the machine, it's in how we use it. AI can be a tool for justice, but only if we make it so. The responsibility is ours. AI in history is more than a new method, it's a new perspective. Like Galileo's telescope, it forces us to rethink our place in the story. AI can challenge the idea that history is shaped only by great individuals, revealing the power of systems and hidden forces. It traces the flow of ideas, genes, and technologies across continents and centuries. History becomes a continuous, interconnected story, not just a series of events. AI helps us see the deep currents that connect us all, breaking down barriers between eras and cultures. This journey will force us to reevaluate what we thought we knew. Events may look different through the lens of massive data analysis. The causes and effects we learned in school may turn out to be more complex and interconnected. We're at the dawn of a new age of discovery, exploring our own past with new eyes. Can AI rewrite history? It can't change what happened, but it can transform what we know. AI uncovers new facts, solves mysteries, and reveals hidden patterns. But will it lead us to the one true story or just another version? History is interpretation, a story we tell about who we are. AI provides evidence, but meaning still requires a human mind. The machine's data is the start of a new conversation, not the end. The future of history is a partnership. AI as fact-checker, humans as storytellers and ethicists. We must be vigilant, guarding against bias and error. The goal isn't to replace human intelligence, but to augment it. AI is a powerful new light, but we choose where to shine it. Used wisely, it can help us build a more honest, inclusive collective memory. The journey for understanding continues. And that's what it means to be human.